Hi, I'm Gavin here with Duluth Pack, and today I'm here to talk to you about our water bottle holder, which is one of my favorite products. One really cool thing about this is just, simply it's made out of canvas. It's really durable and it's flexible too. It's made to fit a Nalgene water bottle, but if you take that out there, and like I said, made out of canvas, makes it flexible, and that'll just pack down really easy for storage, doesn't take up too much space. Like I said, fits a Nalgene perfectly, and it has this cinch cord here on the side. So if you had this, say you had this upside down, that water bottle might fall out, but that's why we have this cinch cord here, and keep that nice and secure. So now that's not going anywhere. One really cool thing about this is that it comes with an adjustable web strap, which is removable, and the reason why we made it removable is that you can actually put on like a leather strap if you wanted to, or if you had your own kind of shoulder strap that you wanted to use that you thought was more comfortable, you can definitely just clip that on and switch that out. And then also, of course, if this gets worn or somehow breaks, you can then replace it without having to replace the the holder itself. So those just clip on just like that, and you can use this as kind of like a grab handle here, but I think the best use of it is actually just to use it as a crossbody, just like this. Really nifty if you're out and about, want to stay hands-free, but still have your water bottle just right there for when you need it. You can throw that around back or keep it to your side, but pretty much your water's gonna be right there for when you need it. You can stay hands-free for if you're going hiking, biking, out and about around town. Like I said, made out of canvas. This right here is going to be our waxed khaki canvas, but it is available in all of our canvas options. Like I said, one of my favorite products. If you're into the outdoors, you're going to be drinking water, and this just makes it really easy, really convenient. You can find this in store or online at duluthpack.com, and we'll see you next time.